Hello and welcome to the channel. I am ThatRoni and today we're gonna watch Sledgehammer, a cover by Morgan James. And if you're wondering what this is, I try to put the microphone in a different place. So the microphone is like underneath. Anyway, let's jump right into it, okay? Okay.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Have a Big Dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. Yeah, the amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Oh, why don't you call my name? Sledgehammer, yeah, this will be my testimony, yeah, 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 show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee, yeah, open up your fruit cage. Fruit that is sweet as can be. Oh, I wanna be your sledgehammer. Yeah, why don't you call my name? Your sledgehammer. Yeah, put your mind at rest. Why don't you? Sledgehammer. Sledge, I kick the habit, shed my skin, this is the new stuff, I go dancing in, oh, you show for me, and I will show for you.
Okay. Okay.
Down below his knees, hold you in his armchair. You can feel his disease. Come together right now.
How do I click on it? Oh shit! Oh yes! Okay, I don't know what happened, but during the video, I felt a little lightheaded for a second, so I personally kind of got out of it. Did I even drink water today? I need to be reminded to drink water. But anyway, before I almost got unconscious, I enjoyed it. I love that she just started off with so much power. That was awesome. This girl has a very interesting voice. You kind of expect a higher note to come out of her, but it's deeper and it has soul. It has like a, I don't know if gravitas is the right term for it, but I don't know, mature? I enjoyed it. It was fun until I kind of dipped out of it, but I think that's more a me problem, not a song problem, and definitely not a Morgan James problem. And the end was so fun, especially that little segment at the end that damn, where do I click on it? I want to watch it because it was so impromptu. It seemed like impromptu jam session. They're in the kitchen having fun. There's something about that magic that when it happens, you can even feel it through the camera. See, now I'm in a bit of a conflict here because I enjoyed Sledgehammer. It was a good cover. But now that I saw there's a couple of seconds of her singing come together, it's so magical. It's so inspiring just to pick up the guitar, call a friend, like, hey, come on over, let's jam, and just go for it, which is something that I recently did with a friend. And it was so good. I can't even describe to you the feeling.
What would the world be without you, friends and good wine?
But anyway, I don't know what you guys think about. I'd love for you to tell me what you think about her Sledgehammer and what did you think about those few seconds that we watched. On that note, I would love for you to go visit her page because she's awesome. And thank you, patrons. You guys are like the warmest, coziest blanket in a very cold day. And trust me, it got a little cold over here in the past couple of nights. Cold for LA, okay? And thank you, subscribers, likers, dislikers, commenters, sharers. People will show up and say hi. Thank you so very much, and thank you, Twitch community. You guys are a gem, even though you troll me a lot. And I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like it. Okay. I'll see you guys on the next one. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. Okay, we'll figure it out.